Well, hi there. Happy Friday. I'm Denise Plant, and I'm glad you're still with us here on Colorado and Company. 9Health has been working across Colorado for over 20 years, offering low-cost health screening services and so much more. The next 9Health Fair campaign kicks off in April, but today we're here to share some information about cancer prevention. And with me from 9Health, I have Kendra Mitchell, and we also have Keith Singer. They're the executive director of Catch It in Time. I also have Ayla Charnas and her dad, Jay Charnas. Ayla is actually the Catch It in Time video winner. So I'm so happy that you're all here. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having
us. Kendra, first off, let's start with you. You're a colon cancer survivor.
I am.
And you made it a point to actually get out there and educate people. You're a certified educator. Why is that important to you?
Well, I was diagnosed at a young age when I didn't know anything about colon cancer or what a colonoscopy was. So I felt like it was really important to help educate. And I found that 9Health Fair had been doing that for a long time. We're actually in our 40th season. And so I started volunteering, and now I work for them, and it's really important.
That's awesome. Yeah. You said you were diagnosed at a young age?
Yes, at 34.
34
so it's
years
most
old.
commonly perceived that people over 50 are the only ones that get, but it's more common and increasing in young people, actually.
And I bet you were shocked, of course, and
Yes,
surprised, but
yes.
what else were you feeling when that happened?
Just a lot of unknowns. You know, how did this happen? Did I do something? How did I not know about this? But again, because I had a great team of doctors and was able to catch it early, even though I was diagnosed early, I still was able to move on from it relatively easy.
Why do you think people avoid the screening? I guess it's kind of like they're thinking
Yes.
uncomfortable.
Yes, well, I mean, I spend a lot of my time now talking about,
Yeah.
you know, poop, I guess, and not a lot of people want to do that, but I think that it's really important, and it doesn't have to be an uncomfortable. It's actually a really easy test, and you can do the, you know, it doesn't have to start with the colonoscopy, the big scary one.
Oh, it doesn't?
No.
You have like a little kit that
Yes.
you can get.
Yes, so 9Health Fair offers a FIT kit is what they call them, and it's just an at-home test that you send into the lab, and then they can tell you whether or not you are screening positive for blood in your stool.
Wow,
Yes.
that is really interesting.
Yes.
All right, Keith, so Catch It in Time. That's your nonprofit. What inspired you to start this nonprofit?
Well, a lot of my friends have had cancer, family have had cancer, and like Kendra's story, a lot of young people get cancer. And there's a need to get that message out there about the early detection of cancer. What does that mean? What are symptoms, and how do you catch it in time? And the whole
Right.
idea is if we can do that creatively and do that for younger people, then we help to get that education in there,
Right.
so that hopefully we catch it early.
And you do. Your focus is on younger people.
That is correct. We do have, the emphasis really is that's where you can give people the information they need in order to have it in later in life. So if they do happen to get a symptom, they go, well, maybe this is something I need to get checked out. And that's our goal.
And
We wanna
not be
save
afraid
lives.
to go get checked out.
Exactly.
And be their own advocate.
Exactly.
Okay, so you have a video contest.
Well, actually, Catch in Time has a video contest,
Okay,
yes.
Catch in Time, sorry, the nonprofit. Catch in Time hosted a video contest. What were you looking for?
We're looking for young people to create content for young people about the early detection of cancer and cancer awareness.
And how do you enter?
Well, you enter by going to catchitintime.org and you sign up, and you can submit a video, and it could be, the video can be a music video, it could be animation, it could be a documentary, it can be all sorts of things, because we're looking for kids to be creative.
Yep.
And right now we are announcing today that because of the response we've had this year, we are extending the deadline to April 30th.
Perfect.
So
Yay!
we're announcing it here on Colorado and
We got a
Company.
scoop here, people. All right, so the website to go and enter to check out for more information is catchitintime.org. Catchitintime.org. And this brings me to the beautiful Ayla. How are you, my friend?
I'm good. How are you doing today?
Excellent. Tell me a little bit about your your video and why you decided to enter.
Well, I decided to enter for mainly two reasons. My first reason was I myself have a very serious medical condition, and so any chance I can get to advocate for people who have medical conditions is pretty much everything I try to do. And
Right.
the second reason is also I was in a film class in my high school, and they offered us extra credit to submit to Catch It in Time, and despite having 100%, I wanted extra credits. So
Are you
that's
serious?
how we-
Good for you. I love that. Not only beautiful, but she's smart and intelligent too. Let's take a look at just a quick look at your video.
When Mindy Hurd was 24 years old, she received devastating news. She was diagnosed with breast cancer. She found a lump the size of a golf ball, and when going into the doctors, discovered she had stage 2 aggressive ductile carcinoma with vascular invasion. She underwent 1 round of chemotherapy, followed by 35 radiation treatments, and finally 5 more chemo rounds. In addition to these medical treatments, she worked on guided imagery, meditation, positive thinking, and she made other significant changes within her life. At 25 years old, she became cancer-free.
That's very emotional, I bet, for you. Dad, how did you support Ayla with this contest and the making of the video?
Oh, I'll tell you what, I mean, it was such an amazing experience, and what we really learned from it is, and what I hope all the other people out there are thinking about, is one decision can truly change your life. You know, she decided to go ahead and submit her video, and because of that, you know, she not only met people at Catch It in Time, met Keith, who's become a mentor, gotten to do amazing things. So I just encourage everybody out there who's creative, who really is into making films, to take that leap, because they won't regret it, and you know what they can get from it, and the experiences are just invaluable.
How old are you, Ayla?
I'm 17 years old.
And did you win?
Yes, I did.
Ooh, ooh, let's do the happy dance. Stand up. Ooh, ooh. Congratulations. How excited were you when you well, I guess you were pretty excited. That's a dumb question, right?
It was amazing, because just like my dad was saying, it really changed my life.
Yeah.
Between I have an internship with Keith now, and I've got to work with such amazing people throughout this industry, both in the medical and the film and video, and it's been an amazing time.
Well, when you become the next female Steven Spielberg, you just remember this middle-aged mom right here. All right, Kendra, let's get back to the 9 Health Fair. I want to talk about the health screenings. There's a lot of different ones that are available, including that kit that you talked about to screen for colon cancer.
Yes, so as I said, our health fairs kick off actually this Saturday and run through the end of May, possibly June. And we are always offering screenings. There's a lot of things you can detect through your basic blood screenings, but there's also a ton of optional screenings like skin, lung. We do a lot of functional tests that can tell you whether you need to look into it something a little bit more. So a lot of good information out there.
I'm so happy that, first off, that you went and got a screening. You're doing well today, and you're advocating for others.
Yes.
Thank you all for coming on the show. Very exciting. Thank you. 9 Health Fair is here, of course, to help you be informed and, of course, to take control of your life. Make sure you do it today. 9 health fairs are coming in April with low-cost health screenings, including you can take home that colon cancer screening kit. Get all the information that you need at 9healthfair.org. That's 9healthfair.org. And to learn more about the Enter the Catch It in Time video contest, go to catchitintime.org. That's catchitintime.org. Don't forget about that.